We're seeing a Tesla Cybertruck for the first time, up close. We saw one drive by. Okay, well, you might want to show them that Cybertruck. Like, everybody I know, lots of my friends, hate Elon Musk, and it's because of his stance on culture war issues. The thing is, when he started producing electric cars, I thought he had no chance. No one wants electric cars. GM tried to introduce the world to electric cars, reintroduce the world to electric cars in the 90s. It didn't work. And some startup company makes electric cars, and then 10 years later, maybe 15 years later, they're a massive car company, one of the biggest car companies on earth. They make some of the best-selling cars on earth. They are electric. They are good for the environment. Now, I know progressives want you to have the right stance on everything, on all the cultural issues and the environmental issues and political issues and economic issues. Okay, but guess what? He brought electric cars to the world. Elon Musk single-handedly brought electric cars to the world. And now there are dozens of imitators out there in the US and China, in Europe. Everybody's making electric cars. And it's all because of one single guy who doesn't always have the right opinions about cultural issues. Just please give credit where credit is due. Oh, okay. And this thing, let's talk about this. It's a picture you would draw in your notebook when you're 13 years old. That's why it's so great. It doesn't matter if it's practical. It doesn't matter if it's a good truck. It has many flaws. I read about the many flaws online all the time. It is a magical, wonderful thing that I would never want or buy for myself. I'm just delighted that it exists. It's creative. It makes the world interesting. It makes the world a special place. And it's electric.